Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the F12 error on your Whirlpool washing machine. So the problem with F12 is that it's a fault with electronic control system. It can relate to the element short or the heater that has failed completely. And what is the way to fix it? So this is something that you can try before you're gonna get some professional like a serviceman. So turn off the washing machine completely. What you want to do, unplug it, the machine, or switch off the breaker if you can get access to the cable, and let it sit without the power for at least 2 minutes. Now what I would recommend to do is that if some water did get somewhere in a machine, let's say, what I would do is that I would just leave it even for like 10-15 minutes, just completely hard reset. And then what you want to do is that you want to plug the machine back or turn the breaker back on, wait 30 seconds after restoring the power, and attempt to turn the machine on again. And I hope it's going to work out and fix the issue for you. So try to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So maybe it's going to like the reset and fix by itself. I hope it does, so you don't have to pay for the installer or serviceman. Thank you and have a great day, and goodbye.